繼續都係2025年嘅把握 MC 啊，咁嚟到第九條啦，咁啊第九條啦係關於我哋 enzyme 啦酶嗰一課嘅題目啦，咁一齊望一望條題目啦，咁啊講到 the schematic diagrams below show the initial and final content of an enzymatic reaction in three test tube，即係以下咧有三個唔同嘅 test tube 唔同嘅試劑啦，咁入面有三個唔同嘅 reaction，咁啊逐個睇啦，咁啊 test tube 一咯，即係我哋試管一咯，就有一個 enzyme 嘅 J。同我哋嘅 compound K 呢個長方形嘅物體啦，佢哋結合咗之後，你見到佢變成一個 enzyme substrate complex 嘅話，結合咗之後，10分鐘之後就會點啊？就會產生咗我哋嘅 compound L 出嚟啦。即係你見到呢個 compound K 應該好明顯就係俾人咁樣斬開咗一半啦，係咪？咁所以就變咗兩個 compound L 出現咗咁樣啦。咁啊，test tube two 咯，試管二咯，咁你見到我哋繼續都有我哋嘅 enzyme J 啦，一模一樣樣噶嘛，係咪？咁所以一定都係 enzyme J 啦。咁啊，跟住有一個新嘅 compound 叫 compound M 喎，呢一個好似一條脷咁嘅樣嘅物體啦，個 compound M。咁啊，同 compound M 結合咗之後，你就見到10分鐘之後仍然變咗係一個 enzyme substrate complex，但係就冇一個新嘅 product 產生咗出嚟啦，係咪，我仔？咁啊，去到試管三咯，佢就話哦，你好咧，呢個試管三入面有我哋嘅 enzyme J 啦。有我哋嘅 compound K 啦，亦都有我哋嘅 compound M 啦，即係將三樣嘢撈埋咗一齊之後，跟住10分鐘之後啦，就究竟個 result 係點咧？To be determined，即係咁好明顯就問緊你究竟個 result 係啲乜嘢咧？咁啊，我望下條題目啦。咁啊，問你啦，Which of the following combinations regarding the predicted result in test three is correct？咁啊，好明顯啦，即係問緊你呢個 to be determined 嘅 result 係啲乜嘢啦？咁啊，其實佢想問嘅就係問個 compound concentration of compound L 嘅啫。咁啊，揾翻 L 係啲咩嚟先啦？L 係呢個三角形嘅物體啦，係咪？compound L 粉紅色嘅呢個物體。咁啊，問你 compound L 個 concentration 對比試管一嘅濃度會點咧？咁其實同學仔望一望先，我哋 enzyme J 可以將呢個 compound K 分解為兩個 compound L 啦，即係如果你數數目咁樣數，你見到呢度一嚿、兩嚿，呢度夾埋就三嚿咁樣啦，結合翻一齊就變咗三個 compound K 啦，係咪？咁即係代表 enzyme J 係可以將 compound K 變 L 嘅，呢個係佢正常可以做到嘅嘢。但係 compound M 佢會同佢點啊？會同佢一齊爭呢個 enzyme J 嘅喎？點解啊？你見到咧，佢哋咧其實仍然可以 bind 埋到一齊噶嘛，即係可以結合到一齊噶嘛。咁即係代表佢哋個 active site，佢哋個活性部分其實係一模一樣嘅喎，係咪？佢哋活性部分一模一樣嘅時候，即係代表呢個 compound K 同 compound M，佢哋兩個都會同一時間爭緊我哋嘅 enzyme J 一個酶 J 啊嘛，係咪？咁既然都爭緊佢嘅時候，即係佢哋嘅 relationship 係一個 competitive inhibitors 啦，係咪？即係個競爭性嘅抑壓劑啦，係咪？咁所以你可以幻想得到，當喺試管劑三入面嘅時候，三樣嘢同時都存在嘅話，咁會點啊？即係會令到 compound K 變成 compound L 嘅速度慢咗咯，係咪？咁速度慢咗嘅話，咁咪即係代表佢哋個 concentration 理論上係會 lower 咗咯？點解啊？因為大家都係俾緊10分鐘嘅時間你啊嘛，咁你喺相同嘅時間之下，你而家有 competitive inhibitor 有競爭性抑壓劑嘅出現啦喎，咁咪會令到 compound L 最終產生嘅濃度少咗咯，係咪？咁所以答案一係 A 一係 B 噶啦。咁啊，跟住我哋要睇埋第二行啦，第二行就係講緊個 reason 啊嘛，係咪？咁我哋頭先都講過啦，佢哋嘅關係係咩啊？competitive inhibitors 競爭性抑壓劑，咁即係代表我哋應該用嘅字眼係 occupies 啊，定係 destroy 個 active site 啊？好明顯係 occupies 啊，係咪？因為好明顯而家 compound M 係霸住咗個 enzyme J，而令到 enzyme J 冇得同 compound K 結合，咁所以佢咪產生唔到 compound L 咯。但係佢有冇改變到或者破壞嗰個 active site 啊？冇噶嘛，compound 即係 enzyme J 仍然個 active site 都係 enzyme J 噶嘛，咁所以個答案就係咁啦。咁啊望一望咧，究竟當年嘅答題比率啦。咁啊第九條當年係答到75%嘅同學仔，咁所以其實呢條題目就唔係一條好難嘅題目啦。